I'm Miss Kimball, your second grade team lead, and I'm so glad you're here in second grade this year.
Hi everybody there. I'm Miss Perez, second grade.
Hi everybody, Miss Castro here. Welcome. Love you. Big hug for you.
Hey everyone, this is Mr. Clark, second grade teacher. Good to have you.
Hi, this is Mrs. Garcia, back in second grade with last year's group. Nice to see you.